Planning a move in Connecticut. You're probably asking, how much will movers cost? In this video, we'll walk you through typical rate ranges, cost factors you must watch, and tips to save on your Connecticut move. For moves inside Connecticut, expect costs for a 2-bedroom home to fall between $550 and $1,150, depending on stairs, access, and packing needs. Hourly rates in the region tend to run between $100 and $150 per hour for 2 movers and a truck. When you leave Connecticut's borders, pricing shifts to per mile or weight-based models. Rates for longer moves typically range between $2,000 and $5,500, depending on distance, home size, and additional services like packing or storage. Cost isn't just distance and size. Other variables play a big role: access and handling, flights of stairs, narrow doors, long carries, packing services, full packing or specialty items add fees. Weight and volume, heavier or bulkier goods cost more. Season and timing, summer, weekends, and peak months come with premium rates. Insurance and liability choice. Understanding these helps you control your estimate. Here are sample estimates. Studio apartment within Connecticut, $501 bedroom, $702 bedroom, $1 103 bedroom, $1 500 plus for long distance. A 2-bedroom move going cross-state could land in the $2,000 to $4,000 range, depending on services and distance. Oh, stretch your moving dollar. Move during off-peak months or mid-week. Handle small items and packing yourself declutter before the move request, binding quotes, and spot hidden fees. Early, confirm insurance coverage levels. These steps can reduce surprises and keep your move budget in check. Connecticut moving costs vary, but by knowing the basics, local versus long-distance rates, key cost drivers, and smart cost-saving tactics, you can get a reliable estimate and avoid surprises. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and share your moving questions in the comments. Safe travels!